Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about Florasis new satin finished liquid lipstick. 6 colors all here, 3 new colors, 3 classic colors. What we're going to do today is to see the swatches and try on the lip first. By the way, I've purposely adjusted the lighting to ensure the color is presented as true as possible. After that, do not switch off. We will come back to talk about the formula this time and to share with you guys my top 3 colors. Well, I'm sure you are interested. Keep on watching.
Because I ran away. If you listen to the words I say, you know that I'm okay. You know it's just a phase. Don't think I'm leaving, cause I'm not at all. And if you get hurt, it's unintentional. I just wanted you to realize that I'm the one you like, that I'm the one you like. So where do we go? Where do we go from here? Where do we go? Where do we go? I don't know. Where do we go? Where do we go from here? Where do we go? Where do we go from here? Where do we go? Where do we go from here? Baby, I've been busy missing you. Say, have you missed me too? Say, have you missed me too? Was this intermission good for you? Yeah, was it good for you? Or are you just confused? Don't think I'm leaving, cause I'm not at all. So if you get hurt, it's unintentional. And I know that what I did was typical. I just needed time to show you what you got. So where do we go? Where do we go from here? Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go from here? Where do we go? Where do we go from here? Where do we go? Where do we go from here?
Packaging this time, the shape and the size is the same as the classic one. The top are more fostered, like fostered jade feel, and towards the bottom is more transparent, and you see the lovely, I would say, Florasis, classic Florasis color at the bottom, just to compare with the previous ones. So this one is Florasis classic liquid lipstick. Size, shape is the same. And this is Florasis Dye collection. And this one, I'm sure you guys remember. This is their lip glaze collection. The full name of this new collection is called Blooming Rouge Ultra Smooth Satin Liquid Lipstick. In terms of formulation, I absolutely loving this type of formulation. Although it's called liquid lipstick, but especially to compare with their classic version. The new collection's formulation, personally feel the best way to describe it is between liquid, typical liquid lipstick to lip stain. So let me explain. When you swipe on the skin, what do you feel is more like whipped cream. Just imagine you swipe a whipped cream on the lip compared to you scoop out a chocolate mousse, apply on the lip. This time the difference is also said in the name. It's a satin finish. It is not a full matte finish. Just have a look at the swatches. This side is the classic liquid lipstick. Once it's set, it's fully matte. And this side is the new version, satin finished liquid lipstick. So when you tilt it, it gives you a beautiful skin reflection. Can you guys see the finish on the lip? And especially is the feel of wearing this liquid lipstick. It's very, very light. It's pretty much can be ignored. It's like air light weight on your lip. You don't feel dry up whatsoever. Instead, you actually do feel nourishing or hydrating your lip because it still maintains a skin finish. Therefore, it does visually smoothen out the lip lines much, much better compared to the typical liquid lipstick. After using them for a while, I personally feel this type of new liquid lipstick formulation is very self-independent. It doesn't really rely on whether you put lip treatment beforehand or not. Doesn't rely on whether you remove your dead skin or not. I use this in just any condition of my lip. Whenever I want a little bit of color on, or I'm doing different YouTube videos, I swipe it on. This one does and will still perform steadily on my lip. And to compare Florasis to other brands, as you guys probably seen a lot of my lip related videos, like Lancome's one, like even Drugstore, Into You, Pink Bear. They do have similar formulations, but I find the key difference is the color saturation and pigment. This time I'm actually more surprised by two new color shades, S401 and S501. S401, S501. S501 is their iconic color in this collection and is also a new shade. This S401 is the color that's on my lip. Here's the beauty of this one. I have to zoom you in again. So when you see these swatches, here's the best angle. When you see these swatches, you find there is more patterness in there, more pink patterness in there. But when you swipe on the lip, once it's settled for a while or get oxidized a little bit, it has more coral color, turns out. Look. Can you see the difference from the swatches? And they made this color so unique in a way that goes more and better with different styles and different makeups. From the swatches, I went with more earthy makeup base and more, how to say, soft lady style. This color went with that style so well. And today, I went for more blue purpley look and slightly not cool in a way, but very, very different personalities makeup, and this color still goes with it. I'm telling you guys, you especially if you plan to go for somebody's wedding or you are a bridesmaid, for example, get this one, S401. This color, I'm telling you, is a perfect bridesmaid color. Look, this type of color in other brands you guys can find from my previous videos. Most likely they will turn down the color saturation, so when you swipe it on, you will see about 20 to 30% transparency, so it's not a full coverage by first swipe. But look at the Florasis and look at the performance on my lip and look at the edges. If you get this color 20% see-through in a way, when you're trying to smudge out the edges or try to overdraw your lip shape, the awkwardness could be the edges that will look different, slightly different shade to the color actually on your lip, will make your lip look dirty, look like you just had a meal but you didn't wipe your mouth properly. You get what I mean? But when you have a full color saturation, doesn't matter how much you overdraw in this color, it maintains the same color power to the center of your lip. My top recommended color is actually this one, S401. It's a very multifunctional and a multi-personality color. The second recommended color is also from the newer color shade, is S501. It is a well-designed red with brown-orange undertone. Here I'm going to put a couple of pictures from that website. I personally feel they presented the personality of this color so well. This color is inspired by a very, very famous Chinese female legend story. This is a true story. If any of you interested, I will Google the story and get the link in my description box. So if you're interested, go there and check it out. If you're more elegant lady style, no-brainer color, 4-season wearable color for you. If your style is come across a strong, independent woman's personality, also no-brainer color for you. This color is just really supports your confidence. It's kind of like you sit there and trying to tell people, you know, I don't bullshit and I don't take bullshit. The last one I would highly recommend, probably some of you already got it, which is S145. This is the iconic colors in a lot of their lip collections. This is a well-designed tomato plus orange red. Trust me guys, this type of color, it looks very common, but it's so easy to go wrong. If you have more orangeness in there, it can very easy to make this color look so luminous and horrible on your lip. If you reduce the orangeness too much, you easily make this color become a very common red or more towards brown red. If you like this tomato orange based red and you couldn't find your perfect ones, go for Florasis S145. And let me just to compare this same color to their classic liquid lipstick. This is the classic liquid lipstick, which is fully matte finish. This is the new collection, which is semi-matte. Because of the reflection difference, you visually may feel the liquid lipstick, which is the full matte finish, it looks slightly darker than the newer one. It's actually not. They're actually exactly the same color, just because of that reflection difference would come across that. In terms of lasting, the matte finish, the liquid lipstick does last longer than the newer version for kind of obvious reasons, because it's slightly more wetter or more moist than the completely matte finish. So it has minimal impact on its lasting. But this one does not fade out through the middle, which a lot of typical liquid lipsticks do. This one doesn't. I've been sitting here for, let me just check, nearly 2 hours. I've been yucking for this long, and let me zoom you in. See? There is no fading out lines. Here, see? It still perfectly remained. And when you do this, it has minimum transfers, but no impact on the lip. So if you are new to Florasis and you want to try their lip product, I would recommend to start with their link locked lipstick for you to experience the Florasis packaging itself. And secondly, I would recommend the newer designed liquid lipstick. If you already own some of the colors, you're already familiar with the formulation, I wouldn't suggest to get same colors, just want to see the formulation difference Not necessarily unless you really want to. I would highly recommend the two colors from the new color shades, which is 401 and 501. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you guys find it somehow helpful. If it does, please do click the like button, and most importantly too, subscribe to my channel down here. I will see you on my next video.